Hello students, in this video we will continue reading lesson number 7, Julia's Wonderful Find. So let's begin. Philip, where have they gone, Mr. Smith? Students, do you remember in our last reading we got to know that Mr. Smith, that is Julia's dad, was telling the children that there were many kingfishers on the island, but now there are very few. So Philip asked Mr. Smith that where the kingfishers have gone. So now Julia's dad replied, most kingfishers cannot survive very cold weather. Survive means to continue to live or exist. So, most kingfishers cannot continue to live in very cold weather. The food at such times also becomes scarce. Scarce. S-C-A-R-C-E. It means very difficult to find. They are unable to fish during such a time. Also, when the summers are very hot, flooding of rivers and seas can make it difficult for them to fish. Flooding means if a river floods, water rises up over its edges and covers the land around it. So, at that time, fishing becomes difficult. There is very little food for them to eat, and many of them starve to death. S-T-A-R-V-E, starve. Starve means to suffer or to die because there is not enough food. There aren't too many fish left anymore. So, this is how Julia's dad answers to Philip's question. Julia: oh, that's so sad, Dad. Can we keep it at home? We'll bring fish for it every day. Here, seeing the struggles of kingfishers, Julia requests his dad to take the kingfisher at their home. She says she'll bring fish for it every day, as it becomes difficult for the kingfishers to fish now. So Philip replies, yes, I'll help you with this, Julia. Narrator: the children get a box and put some grass in it, and then put the small kingfisher in. Julia's mom gives the children some fish and they feed the kingfisher. Now, what happens in the story? The children bring a box, they put some grass in it, and then place the kingfisher in the box. Then Julia's mother brings some fish and she gives the fish to the children. Then the children feed the kingfisher. Julia's dad: all right, if you two promise to take good care of this and take it to the beach, you can keep it. So now Julia's dad agrees to her daughter's request and allows them to take the kingfisher at home, but at one condition: if they do take good care of the kingfisher and take it to the beach, then they could keep the kingfisher at the home. What happens next? We'll get to know in our next reading module.